Hello guys. So today I'll be showing you a very simple jollof rice recipe, and these are the ingredients I would be using today's recipe. I first start off with boiling my beef because I'll be using the stock for the jollof rice. So I season the beef with some curry powder, onions, thyme, seasoning cube and some salt. You can add more spices if you wish, or you can do it with anyone you don't like. Then I'd begin with the base for the jollof rice. Guys, if your jollof rice must be lit, if it must be sweet, your base has to be correct. So I like to saute my onions with some spices because it allows the spices release its flavor into the oil. Then I would fry my tomato paste for about 2 minutes so that it will lose all the sour taste. 2 to 3 minutes. And then after it fries for about 2 to 3 minutes, I would introduce my pepper mix into the oil. I'd allow this to fry, adding some garlic and ginger powder, some bay leaves, and some more salt. I'd allow this to cook for about 10 minutes thereabout. Please stir from time to time so that it doesn't get burnt. After that, I would add my washed rice to the base, my washed rice and some meat stock. At this point, you want to mix properly and ensure that every grain of rice is properly coated in the base. You would also want to adjust your seasoning at this point, maybe some more salt or whatever you want to add. Then going with some water to cook the rice. Please be careful. And voila, you have a pot of yummy jollof rice. So yummy and so tasty. I mean, look at how bright it is. Trust me, guys, this tasted as good as it looked. You should try this.